Okay, sir. We can start recording.
Sir, 1 minute, sir.
Sonia, you can start.
Yeah, okay. Hello, everyone. Hope all of you had a very blessed and pleasant Sunday. On that note, welcome to another weekly episode of Spin Time presented by Featurepreneur. Hope all of you are doing great and ready to seize the day and back all those stack coins because, as I mentioned, always this might be the day for many that would pay off for all the features you have developed, or be it your phenomenal participation in all the tech and non tech events conducted by us. So, without any further ado, let's take a look at the rules of spin time. So for a participant's name to be on the wheel, he or she must have earned a minimum of 2,300 tag coins. I'll repeat, 2,300 tag coins. Once you're chosen as a winner from the wheel, your coins will be released. So in order to be part of next week's spin time, you will have to back those 2,300 tag coins again. So speaking of tag coins, how does one earn these tag coins? So you can either develop features or contribute your enthusiastic participation in all the tech and non-tech events conducted by us. As I mentioned earlier, Spin Time is conducted every weekend. And unfortunately, if your name doesn't show up on the wheel for 7 consecutive weeks, don't worry, we shall not leave you hanging. All your tag coins will be released at the end of 7th week. So that was pretty much about spin time, and I'm pretty sure all the participants are buckled up and ready to bag their tag coins today. So let's spin the wheel to know the first lucky winner of today. So let's spin the wheel and check who will be the first lucky winner of this week's spin time. Okay, and this week's first lucky winner is Team Pi Hackons for winning 4,600 tag coins. Has anybody from Team Pi Hackons joined us? Hello? Hello, Jitin? Jitin, I'm having trouble hearing you. Hello? Yeah, anybody else from Pi Hackons here as well?
I'm Lokesh.
Oh, hi, Lokesh. You're from Pi Hackons, right?
Yeah.
Okay, congratulations on the win, Lokesh.
We have won this
4,000
tag points for our project.
for you?
Thanks,
Yeah, go
Sonia.
on.
We have won this tag points for our project Cloud Engine.
Okay, so you guys, did a project and you guys won the tag coins. Congratulations. Very enthusiastic you are. Before I could ask the question, you came prepared and answered. Thank you, Gokul. Anyways, congratulations on behalf of Featurepreneur. Thank you for joining us today.
Thank you.
Yeah, so let's spin the wheel to know the second lucky winner. Let's take a... Okay, and the second lucky winner is Janisha for winning 5,000 tag coins. Hello, Janisha.
Hi, Sonia. Thank you.
Yeah, so what did you win the tag coins for?
Probably for conducting Neum Nanum and a few more technical stuff.
Probably it's him. So like you're doing a lot of work, so you can't keep account where you're earning all of them, right?
Not really, but
Not really. Okay. Okay, great job, Janisha. So how did today's Niyum Nanam session go? So
it went on really well. The participants were very enthusiastic. Yeah, it went well.
okay, so I think like you should give one line description for Niyum Nanam. So all those who didn't participate today like might participate next week.
Yeah, it's basically like a debate, just like Neum Nana, Chiniya Nana thing and Jai TV. But then the thing is that we also take technical topic into consideration because like what's relevant for us.
Yes. Okay, that's great. Thank you for sharing that, and congratulations on your win, Janisha.
Thank you, Sonia. Thank you.
Okay, you're welcome. So you guys, make sure you guys participate in Niyum Nanum as well. It's a great event conducted under Janisha. So on that note, let's spin the wheel to know the next lucky winner. Let's see, who is it going to be? Okay, and the third lucky winner is Sanjay for winning 2,800 TAC coins. Hello, Sanjay. Has Sanjay joined us today? Okay, Sanjay is unfortunately not here, but anyway, conveying congratulations to Sanjay on behalf of Futurepreneur. Okay, so I think we can spin the wheel again to see the next lucky winner. And the lucky winner is Jay Surya for winning 4,375 TAC coins. Hello, Jay Surya.
Hello, Sonia.
Yeah, hello. So can you speak to us how you won these TAC coins?
So basically, like, I guess like I won the last week's trivia thing, so that
Okay.
one was it, and also like I had conducted sessions for explaining about work to other students. So maybe that one was the point. So actually,
Okay.
like I don't know the concrete thing for why I won.
Oh, okay. So you did a couple of things. It's not just
Yeah.
one task. Okay, that's interesting. So you conducted a webinar, you participated in trivia time. So how is, maybe share your experience in both.
So as everyone says, the best thing to learn is to teach someone what you did.
True.
So that is what I feel like, which increased my knowledge and like understanding in that particular domain, and also like winning the last thing, like the trivia thing was. It was actually I joined in as just like for a fun event. So I didn't
Okay.
expect to win and all, like just like fun event. Okay, what is that to do? The half an hour. So yeah, that was
Okay. Okay, thanks for sharing. You joined for fun. I hope the event was also fun for you.
yeah,
Okay.
sure.
Okay. Congratulations, Jay Surya, anyways.
Thank
Hope
you.
to see you next week spin time as well. Keep winning.
Sure. Thank you, Zin.
Okay. So are we done for today or are we spinning the wheel one more time? Shakti, Vaishnavi, anyone?
Yeah, one more time, Sonia.
Yeah, we can
Oh,
have one time Sonia.
okay, that's great. So we have one more lucky winner for today. So let's spin the wheel again. Okay, and the winner is Prebind for winning 3,450 TAC coins. Congratulations, Prebind.
Thank you, Sonia. Thank you.
Yeah, so usual question, Prebind. How did you win these TAC coins?
It was actually for a feature and also for Code Night.
Code Night. Okay. So can you speak to me about Code Night?
Yeah, Code Night was really interesting. I just finished it yesterday. It was really interesting and really fun to learn more things. And also, it was the first time I've gone for that. And I was not actually aware what would happen. So that the expectation also was low. So that it was really very good. Sir actually taught Raja sir. He actually shared his experience. We talked related on non-technical things, and it was really fun.
Okay, so it was fun plus learning experience, right? We are glad we
Yeah,
could
sure.
meet your expectation. So anyways, congratulations on the win, Prepin, and keep participating in more events.
Yeah, sure, sir.
Okay, thank you for joining us today. So I think we are done with spinning the wheel, but then we still have a couple of titles to be awarded today. And the first title for today is Featurepreneur of the Week. And this week's Featurepreneur of the Week is none other than Jay Surya. Congratulations, Jay Surya.
Thanks a lot again, Sonia.
Yeah, congratulations again. Phenomenal participation this week, I believe. So you won a title.
Sure. Thanks a lot for that. Means a lot.
Mm. Okay, that's great. Thank you for joining us today, Jay Surya. And the next title we have here for today is Girl Featurepreneur of the Week. And this week's Girl Featurepreneur of the Week is Priyanka. Congratulations, Priyanka.
Thank you, Sonia. Sorry, thank you, Sonia.
Yeah, so Priyanka, I think you watched the trivia time, right? So I just have a small question to you. How do you
Yeah,
think
was
it
actually
went?
fun. Yeah, it was pretty
Hello?
cool actually. I mean, I'm not able to participate this week. Hello, can you hear me?
Yeah, we can hear you.
Yeah, so actually it's been only like 1 week since I joined, and I'm not
Okay.
really able. Yeah, so I wasn't able to participate. So I just wanted to see what's going on. It's pretty cool.
Okay, that's interesting. Oh, so it's okay. You can trivia times. There's upcoming trivia times that's coming in next couple of weeks. You can participate in that. Anyways, great participation this week. So you won the title Girl Featurepreneur of the Week. Congratulations on that, Priyanka.
Thank you, Sonia.
Hope your first week of Featurepreneur went well.
Yeah, it sure did.
Okay, thank you for joining us today, Priyanka. And the next title we have for today is Learner of the Week. And this week's Learner of the Week is Prebinth. Once again, congratulations to Prebinth.
Yeah, thank you, Sonia.
Yeah, as you mentioned, you learned a lot this week. So they've given you a
Yeah,
wonderful
sure.
title.
Yeah,
Congratulations.
it's a nice exposure I've got. Thank you so much.
It's delightful to hear that. Thank you for joining us today. On that note, let's move to the next title for today. And the next title for today is Writer of the Week. And this week's Writer of the Week is Atul. Hello, Atul.
Hello.
Hello. So, did you write a write-up for us?
Yes, I've written an article on how we can speed up the development process of Rasa chatbot.
Okay, big title,
So,
big win, Atul. So,
thank you.
how is your experience with Featurepreneur so far?
Yeah, it's been really good. I've
It's
enjoyed
just good,
participating.
though.
No,
Only
it's really exciting participating in trivia time and other events.
Okay, thank you. Thank you for sharing that with us. Anyways, congratulations on the win, Atul. Keep writing for us and keep winning.
Thank you.
Okay, so we have two more new titles introduced this week, and the new titles are Meme Developer of the Week and Mentor of the Week. So this week's Meme Developer of the Week title is backed by Gokul. Congratulations, Gokul.
Thank you, Sonia. Thank you very much.
Gokul, you're damaging everyone using those memes, is it? And then they
Maybe
gave you a
we are
title.
creating for fun, then why shouldn't we care about damaging?
No, I was just kidding. It's really fun. Even when I'm hosting and I look at the memes, I tend to laugh at times, but then I can't. That's interesting.
Thank you.
Well-deserved title, Gokul. Congratulations.
Thank you, Sonia.
Welcome. And the next title and the final title for this week is Mentor of the Week. And this week's Mentor of the Week is Hari Prasad. Congratulations, Hari Prasad. Hari Prasad, have you joined us today?
Yeah, thank you so much.
Yeah, so I believe you conducted a webinar this. Hari Prasad, we are having trouble hearing you. Hello? Hello? Okay, looks like...
Yeah, sorry, I'm having some internet issue.
Okay, no problem. We can hear you now. So, Mentor of the Week, the first person to bag the new title. How do you feel?
Yeah, really great.
So, did you conduct a webinar? Did you teach interns? How do you think you won the title?
So every week we are conducting a workshop based on the topics like web development or machine learning. So in that workshops or boot camp, we are mentoring students.
Okay, okay. Thanks for sharing that and with all the participants. So they keep participating in all the events conducted by us. Anyways, great win, Hari Prasad today. Congratulations. Thank you for joining us. Okay, so we have come to the end. No, wait, I'm sorry. We still have one more thing to do, which is nothing but the random winner. So all of you are buckled up and ready for random winner, I believe. So let's get the wheel ready for the random winner. Okay, so the wheel is all prepped up for the random winner. So let's spin the wheel to know the random winner for this week. Who's going to be that one lucky person? Okay, it's once again Gokul. Congratulations, Gokul.
Thank you once again, Sonia.
I don't know. I'm tired of saying congratulations to you because you keep winning. 3 consecutive wins at a time, Gokul.
Yeah, I just can't believe this week.
Okay, this week, great luck, great hard work, everything paved off.
Yeah, maybe.
Okay, congratulations on the win, Gokul. Thank you for joining us today.
Thank you, Sonia. Thank you very much.
So like I said, we have come to the end of spin time. It was great to see a lot of people win a lot of spin times wheel as well as titles and then random win as well. It was really excited to see all of you win. So keep participating in all the events, be it tech and non-tech events conducted by us, and keep participating in spin time to bag all those stack coins. Thank you everybody for joining us and congratulations to all the winners. Hope to see you in next week's spin time. Thank you everyone.